Hello my YouTube friends and family, welcome back to another video. So this is a 2012 Ford Transit Connect. So I'm having some trouble with this upper radiator hose. So this is a T junction that goes between the hose. So as you can see, this end break off. So I decided to go to Home Depot, find myself a galvanized T, and I made this from some I want to show you the pieces I use. Hold on. Okay, so the T that I use, it have a female threading. This is a male hand threading. So I screw it inside the T, and here I get this 1-inch pipe also. It have threading on it. So I screw it inside the T also and cut off these ends. This is what the pipe look like. So it come with the threading on both ends. Let me show you guys to give you an idea. So it come like this, guys. So I screw it inside the T. Screw it inside to make it. This is the end that go to the smaller line. So at least I have an idea, guys. Right here. And also get some clamps from the Home Depot store also. So these are the clamps. Right here. Also got some other one right here for the larger hose. So that's it for now right there, guys. Upper radiator hose leaking. Come all the way over here. Make myself a T. Also put a piece of rubber here so you don't rub on this piece of line here and damage. There you go. So that's it for now, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.